With AI taking over big spaces like writing and art, you've probably heard people say that this might be the end for creativity, especially for music. But what if I told you that AI in music might be a really good thing?
No way.
In this video, I'll show you how AI can really value human-made music more than ever, and why this really could be a turning point for producers and artists like me and you. Alright, there's no denying that AI music is here, and it's been here for quite a while, so maybe I should have made this video earlier.
Okay.
Tools like Aver, Amper, and OpenAI's Jukebox can create tracks in minutes. For producers and artists, it's really easy to feel threatened by this, that our creativity and our skills are being replaced. For example, what about this background song in this video? It could have been AI generated, but it's not, don't worry, because I'm a producer.
No offense, but I really don't care.
But here's the thing. AI might not be the villain that we think it is. In fact, it could end up highlighting the one thing that AI cannot replicate: human authenticity. Music is more than just rhythm and notes. It's about storytelling, emotion, and human experiences. When you listen to a heartfelt song or a song that you really feel connected to, you're not just listening to some random melody or music, you're listening to their experience through the song. You're really connecting to the artist's soul, their struggles, their experience, and their triumphs. And often at times you could really connect with a song because you feel like it reflects some part of you. It might be a reflection of what you are actually going through right now or past struggles in your life. And if you think about it, it is really impressive how far AI has come when it comes to music and other spaces like art and writing. In music, it can easily just mimic patterns and genres and create catchy hooks. But something that it really cannot replicate is the emotional depth and the lived experience that makes music timeless. It cannot replicate that feeling when you're connected to a song or an artist. That is really why AI songs often feel hollow. You know, technically it's really impressive, but it doesn't hit you in the heart the way a real artist's work does. And we need that heart-hitting authenticity. Everyone does. Instead of looking at AI as a competitor, think of it as a tool. Like a DAW or a synthesizer or even autotune. You know, AI can really help with repetitive tasks, generate really nice ideas for your songs, and help with mixing and mastering. When used as a tool, it can really free up your time so you can spend it on the creative part of the music, which is the most important aspect of music as well. AI is an incredible tool and we should absolutely use it for our benefit. I really embrace AI as my collaborator when I'm in the studio making music, so that way it can help me with my ideas for the song that I'm working on or my creative vision. But the ultimate decision in our music should be in our hands, with AI as an ally to help us get to where we want, if that makes sense. For instance, AI may help you generate a chord progression, but it's your unique touch that really turns it into a song and can resonate with people. So with that said, I really believe that AI can't replace the human spark, it can only enhance it to a certain degree. I remember receiving a lot of messages for my latest release, I'll Be Okay. People told me that it felt real, both musically and the message, and that they had no problem whatsoever connecting to the song and the lyrics. And that really plays a huge part in letting AI just help us and not control us. Because I doubt that I would get those messages if my song were just AI completely. When I made that song, it really came from my heart, and that's actually what people find through the song as well, when they listen to it and they connect to it. Now, I believe with AI becoming more common in the music industry, I think that people will start to crave real authenticity. Think about it, when everything sounds perfect and completely machine-made, the imperfections of human music will stand out even more. If you're an EDM producer, this might not apply to you completely, but still, when you're making EDM and you're making like electronic music that is not really human, you still decide how you want the song to feel and how you want it to be. And that's still a part of the human authenticity that we need in the music. Guys, trust me, this is really important. And you know, we're already seeing this with live performances all around the world. People are really drawn to the human-made, the imperfections, the passion, and the vulnerability. Let's just be honest, AI can't fake that. Think of it as fast food versus a home-cooked meal. Sure, AI can churn out music like a factory, but it won't even compare to something really handmade and crafted by a human being. The craftsmanship made by hand in music is really important. I don't know about you, but I will always prefer a home-cooked meal by my mother instead of going through drive-thru at McDonald's. If you don't, then you should probably just use AI, I guess. For us artists and producers, we should not be fearing AI. We should embrace it as an opportunity to double down on what makes us unique as an artist or a producer. Instead of focusing on AI, focus on your story and your perspective and your voice, because that's what listeners will value the most. Plot twist, everything that I say now is AI. Just kidding, it's not. cut. You know, AI can create all kinds of sounds, but it cannot replicate you. It's your creativity, your humanity, and your imperfection that makes your music unforgettable. Alright, let's say I'm a huge Drake fan and I noticed that he's gonna release a new album and I'm really excited. I've been waiting for a long time, I'm really excited, and when the album drops, I found out that everything is completely AI. Would I really be excited to listen to his album then? I don't think so. Even though I'm a producer and I always pay attention on how things are made, I still think that a normal average listener would not connect to that album or those songs at all because it's not human, because it's completely AI generated. There's no authenticity, there's no human nature in it. It's not built or produced from someone with a really deep interest and passion for music. And that part is the most important one. So if you lack that part, you won't be able to connect with your audience. Artificial intelligence is not here to destroy music. It's here to help us and to challenge us to be better and more authentic and more creative. By embracing this shift with this attitude, we can remind the world that human music will always be better. We will stand strong. Anyway, the future of music is collaboration between AI and us humans. If we hold on to the imperfection, the authenticity, and the human nature of the music, and those fans, for all the artists out there, will really appreciate that they can connect to their favorite artists because of the passion, the authenticity, and the real human nature in music. So what do you think? Do you think that AI will take over music, or do you think that it will make people appreciate the artistry even more? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate every single one of you that has watched all the way until now. It really means the world to me. If you do like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. I'll leave a link here and in the description. And again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.